For our second tutorial video, we're going to be taking a look at adding users to your account. So here you see that we've uploaded a bunch of assets and have all these videos sitting here on our MediaSilo account. But right now, I'm the only one on it. To access the Administration tab, I'm going to click on my name, then Administration. You're going to see the Admin tab. This is where you as an administrator can control your MediaSilo account. You can view your users as well as customization and account setting options. Right now we're going to view all users. It's just me, that's kind of lonely. So we're going to click and add a new user. The first thing your new user will need is a name, their email address, and a username. Then we're going to go to set their password. When creating a password, you can either enter one of your own making or click here to generate. Password must have an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and at least 6 characters long. When you create a user, you'll have the option of notifying them by email of their credentials. You're going to want to make sure you check this off so that your user gets a helpful welcome aboard email with their username and password. Once you've filled out the user information, you can move on to their permissions. Permissions are the core of how MediaSilo works in terms of controlling access to media. So what you can do is start with a preset role. So let's say that I want my new user to be a project manager. You're going to see that there are 72 permissions here, which is kind of a lot. You can find out more about them in our knowledge base, but basically what you're going to want to do is look through and make sure that the user has the permission set that you want. Some critical ones are being able to view assets. If the user doesn't have this permission, they can't see anything. You're going to want to make sure they're able to upload and create assets. You can decide whether you're able to help manage other users, manage metadata, comments, etc. So this user I've decided to leave as a project manager. Next thing you're going to need to do is assign the user a project. All users must be assigned at least one project, and every project needs users. So what we're going to do, since Balloons is my only project, I'm going to assign this user to that. Hit Next. You can set up some advanced user preferences here, such as when you want the user to receive email notifications, what their playback is, or what their time zone is. But all of this has been done, so I'm going to go ahead and just create this user. And there you go. We've added a new person to our team here on our account.